second time skiing. Turn to the right, this turn's going to be a bit quicker because the hill's sort of cambered over that way. And we do this turn, it's going to be a bit slower because we're now going up the lift. So some nice good thinking turns. Make sure we keep that pizza before we go into our next turn. Yeah. That's it. You can go in front. Need a break? You okay?
Yeah, I think I just screwed that turn up and slowed me right down.
That's alright. It's better to screw it up and be stopping rather than screw it up and be out of control. It's going to get a little bit, not icy, but a little bit more firmer just as we go down here because lots of people have used it. Manage your turns, we can just use like maybe half the slope, so once we get to the middle we'll start turning back that way, then once we get to the end of that slope we'll start turning back this way. Keeping that pizza, make sure we're pushing on that step, turning our big tail across the hill. It's okay, saves it. You're good. Keep that pizza. Sometimes when you come across this way, you have a habit of just putting your feet together, which is something we're going to do in a little bit, but for now we're just trying to keep the pizza, okay? So the whole way through that turn, we're just keeping that shape, that's it, and just keep it going across. So isn't that a little bit straight? Yeah. Perfect. And we're just working our way down, okay? Look like you're praying. You just relax your hands. Just relax your hands. Put them by your sides. Yeah, just chill out. There you go. We're doing this for fun, remember? This is enjoyment. We're not praying that we make it down. If you want somewhere to put your hands on your knees or forward, is always good.
Can I just stop you for a second?
Yeah. We can go down here however we want. You can see the width of the slope. You can see where the snowboarder is. See when he gets to this point now,
yeah,
that's when we sort of have to send our skis a little bit faster down the hill because it goes very flat. Okay. Once it goes flat, once we're outside the bridge, you're going to turn to the left. Okay, and then we can go back into your normal turns.
Back into normal.
Okay, but you just got to go a little bit, not super fast, but just carry a little bit of speed. Okay, I'm going to move out your way.
I'm not feeling real good doing this. I'm stressed.
You're stressed?
I feel good here.
I mean, you are doing it, but it's a different slope.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of anxiety because we're not used to seeing what we're seeing.
Yeah.
Okay? But it's not too different from where we've already been.
Yeah.
Okay?
Cool. I'm in my head, don't worry. I mean.
Weight up, weight forwards, pushing the knees, and committing to the turn until we go back uphill makes it super slow. Okay? I'm on lookout. No one's going to crash into you. Okay? You don't need to worry about that. Whenever you're ready, you got a bit of space.
So I'm going to push left.
Yes. That's it. And then when you're ready, you're going to push right. That's it. When you're ready, push left. You keep pushing until you go up the slope. Right. Don't use your hands, use your feet. You're pushing your right foot. So right foot here, right foot the whole way across. And left foot. That's it. We're going to go right foot. We're going to go across here into the snow. We'll wait for these kiddos to go. These are little doomers. Perfect. Once we get into the nice snow here, we're going to start pushing on our left. Okay. And then we're going to go straight for a little bit. We're just going to hold a wedge. Okay. And once we get to a little bit further down, once we get down to here, we're just going to release it and go straight. Nice. Good job, well done. You didn't get stuck. Okay, so
I'm so scared yet.
so this bit here is not too steep, it's a little bit narrow. That means we've got to make sure our turns are a little bit sharper. Once we go down, it opens up. You can see it quite opens up into like a bowl. So when we're in that bowl, downhill's going to change. Okay, it's not going to be straight down the hill. So if you look like that guy that went up to the yellow, his downhill now became that way. But when he started, it was that way. Yeah? So it's changing. So you've got to be a little bit aware of where we're doing our turns. But you'll feel it anyway. If you start slowing down, you're uphill. If you start going stupidly fast downhill, then we've got to turn it even more uphill, okay?
Okay.
Alright?
So I should be able to feel that though.
You'll feel it anyway. If you're going super fast, we need to keep turning until we get super slow.
Yeah.
Okay? You'll see it and feel it anyway, okay?
Yeah. How do we want to do this?
So you've got a choice here. We can do tight little turns, or we can just hold a wedge and go down.
How about I just try first? And then
Try first, and if it doesn't work out, do a big wedge, come to a stop, and then just do a smaller wedge just to get down. Okay? Just because it's narrow. I'm going to be behind you. I want to make sure that no one crashes into you.
Really good.
And when you're ready, you can go, okay?
It's down that way.
So make sure once you're on a foot, you commit to that foot.
Yes, not changing.
So even like that is absolutely perfect. Okay? Nice speed, nice control. That's it, so start pushing on that right foot. That's it. Going towards that yellow pole, and then inside of the skier, it's going to go down to the left.
And is that where I've been before?
That's, you haven't been there before now. It will end up where you've been before, which will be the bottom of the list.
Yeah.
So if we go that way, it's going to be uphill. So when we do our left-hand turn, it's going to be slightly quicker.
So this is now down.
Yeah, this is down.
I'm going up.
Yeah. So then we start pushing on that left nice and early. And then we can ride across. Yeah, that's uphill. So it's your choice depending how fast you want to go. Okay, but as you do this turn, it's going to be downhill. Then we go straight into the next turn. So right foot and then straight onto left foot now. That's it. Keep push the whole way towards the skier. That's it. And when you're ready, you can do right foot up the hill towards me. Perfect. And then left foot down the hill in the snow. That's it. And then back up the hill. Nice. And then right foot. Like you're praying to. Okay. So if you want to, a bit like what we did at the bridge here, we can go over a bit more like this and just go round because it goes a bit flat. So just let it run straight towards me. That's it, you come straight towards me. It's going to be very flat. That's it. Good job.
Oh, it is flat here, isn't it?
Yeah.